Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Sorry if I'm blowing up your eardrums. Mic check, check, check. We're back live at it again. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Jeez Louise. We're back live at it again. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Market's about to open. Drop those GMs in the chat. Got the like button. Are you ready? Are you ready? Pen. Pen. Pandas, 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 pandas. Quick check, quick check. Alright, we're back. We're absolutely back right now.
2,500 tick trap.
Market's about to open. Alex, we are so back. Absolutely. Hoo-wee. And Pandas. I got broads in Atlanta, just in Dublin in the Fanta. Credit cards and the scammers. Hope you guys are doing well. Pandas, like yesterday I couldn't trade, sorry. I was on an airplane, I couldn't trade, but it looks like the market was also on an airplane. It was just launching up. It was finally the easy day. We finally got the easy day. The day I couldn't trade. Goodness gracious. I'm hoping today's going to be an easy day, but we'll see. Daily chart, it's disgusting. It's just so many overlapping bars. Like I feel like the daily's going to turn to a trading range soon. Weekly also starting to have lots of overlapping bars. But it's going up, and it's always in long, so what can you do? What can you do? Market's about to open in 1 minute. Jake, good morning. Air Panda. I have no idea what that means, but let's get it. Is that the plane I was on? Absolutely, it was Air Panda. Let's get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Alright, big push up. Let's see. I mean, I'm thinking we're going to fill the gap pretty immediately. That's what I'm thinking, but only time will tell. Usually wait for the breakout first. Market's open.
2,500 tick
Market's
trap.
open. We are ready to rock and roll here. Whoa, big push down. Filling the gap right away. Albert Emma, good morning. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, everybody. Gonna reload historical rare real quick. Second edge is short forming here. Bouncing off the 20 EMA, strong bear bar. I mean, what is going on? I mean, what in the world is happening here? Cancel. What in the world? Actually, what in tarnation? What in tarnation? Pandas, let me know how this sound quality is. Let me know if you hear echo or something. Ooh, feels like I just short top of the triangle here. This is very choppy. Maybe this triangle fails. I'll try. I'll try. If this triangle fails, come back to the bottom of the triangle. I'll maybe fill the gap. We are in. Ready to rock and roll. Ooh, second entry long. Forget about it. Forget about it. Forget about it. Oh, interesting. Never mind. There's no gap. Ooh, come back. Ooh, it's ugly. Come back.
Target filled.
Alright. There's actually no gap. I was looking at the MES. There's no gap on. Or sorry. I always look at the MES. There's a gap on the MES. Why am I looking only at the MES? I need to be looking at M and Q. M and Q, no gap. I almost made it. I mean, that was a stupid mistake. Pandas, know what chart you're looking at. Rule 101. Trading 101. Remember, know what chart you're looking at. Number one rule. Not the number one, but first rule. First things first. Alright, wasn't that bad? A little bit of echo. Yeah, I don't know. This echo. How do I fix this echo? I gotta look it up. I think I need like those little egg crates. You know, the little sound absorption little egg crate looking things? I might have to put a couple of those in my room. Goodness gracious. Hey, we're dropping. I should have gone short, I guess. I could have kept my short. Goodness gracious. Could have kept my short. Looking for a new low. That's what I'm guessing here. We're going to test the overnight low here. And then trading range. I mean, that's what it looks like here. Strong bear bar, any on its low, 2500 tick chart. Maybe some follow through. I mean, should I? Should I go into micro hell? I should be trading micros only. I mean, unless I feel like today's gonna be a very good day. Let's just trade micros. Let's trade micros until we know we're out of micro. Right now we're in PA hell. We're gonna be in micro hell until we're out of PA hell, and unless I see a very good setup somewhere, like a stupendous setup, like the setup of all setups, then I'll jump on the mini. Guys, we just scalp that like button. We're up $35. We're up $35. I was flying in the air. I was in the stratosphere. We made that new low. So we tested that low, but I feel like trading range just because the market has been so choppy right now. But could be trading range, big old trading ranges. Coming off the 20 MA. I mean, unless we continue this spike in channel from yesterday. Oftentimes we have days like this, it gets reversed pretty hard. Especially when your daily looks like this. Like bull bar, bear bar, bull bar, bear bar, bull bar. Question. Bear bar. Maybe. Okay. We're in micro hell, pandas. We're in micro hell. We're trading micros. Right now my accounts are pretty much all break even. We've had about like what 3 or 4 trading days on them. Albert Emos says, I feel like today is not the day I should trade. I just feel it. Honestly, trust those feelings. There's something intuitive about, Something intuitive that your brain
2500
does
tick trap.
that makes you feel scared of something. It's just natural, right? Okay, 2 bear bars. We're still within this channel though. Look at the price action so far. Whoa, yeah, cool price. Look at this price. You know what? It looks kind of bearish for now. Not sure. New low created. I don't know. Too hard to tell. I'll tell you what. We're in micro hell until it's clear. Until it's abundantly clear, like yesterday being an amazing day. Like we're gonna trade micros only.
2500 tick trap.
Nasdaq phobia, exactly. Okay. Okay. No clue. But right now the price action looks on the smaller time frames looks disgusting. On the higher time, like the 5-minute, still unknown. We don't really know. Sean bull bar, you're thinking or break the high, but this also looks choppy on the daily chart. So you can if it's choppy on the daily chart, that means after a strong bull day, you can have a strong bear day. Hope that makes sense. Drop those GMs in the chat. Pandas, we're gonna get it. We're absolutely gonna get it today. We're up $35. I mean, that's not too shabby. Not too shabby. This is very rare though. When's the last time we saw a day like this? Crazy, 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 crazy. It's been like months since we've seen a day that just did this. It just bounces off the 20 EMA every single time on the 5-minute chart. Very rare. Nowadays, at least. It used to be like this, like, at least once or twice a week last year. But not anymore. Alright, big push down. 3 strong bear bars in a row, maybe. I'm curious to see how it reacts on the bottom of this channel here. I just realized I spelled my name wrong on Apex. How do I change it? I think you gotta probably talk to customer support. How did you even get a payout if that's the case? Just keep your name wrong. If you've been getting payouts, just keep your name wrong. Who cares? Maybe it'll be advantageous for you later. Maybe somehow you can avoid paying taxes. Somehow. Big bear bar. Alright. 3 bear bars in a row here on the 5-minute chart. It looks like, at least. Just watching. Wow, I never really used Apex. I honestly, I understand. You probably have to ask support, or you can go to your profile, maybe change it there. But I've never changed my name, so I don't know. Big bear bar here. So you got 3 strong. You got 3 bear bars on the 5-minute chart for me. On the 15-minute bar, that is a very strong bear bar. It could be a strong bear day today. Bear trend day today. We got 3 bars now telling us maybe what's going to happen today. I could try maybe just to sell this bear bar after it's done. Remember, we're trading micros, pandas. We're in micro hell. You know, honestly, I should stop calling it micro hell. It's micro heaven. Like, honestly, trading micros is pretty fun. It's actually very fun, trading micros. It's like virtually no stress when you trade. Like, the most you lose on any day, maybe. I mean, if you go crazy, $500. Maybe $1,000. Like, you really have to go crazy. Like, you lose $1,000. Like, you're basically, just trading minis on the micros if you're losing $1,000 on the micros. Customer support's gonna think I'm dumb. I mean, maybe.
2,500 tick trap.
If you're dumb, you're dumb. I mean, I don't know. Who cares? Who cares if they think you're dumb? They're going to deny your payout later. They're like, oh, that guy who did not change his name, we're going to deny his payout. Reason being, too dumb. Second entry short on the 500 tick chart. Do I love it? It's a strong bear. It's a strong move to the downside. I'll tell you that much. Do I love this? It's okay. It's okay. Could be the beginning of a nice, strong trend day today. Could be. Alright, I'll try. Max will trade 1 contract. So if it does fail, like, woohoo, boohoo. A super strong down move.
2,500 tick trap.
It's failing right now. I don't know if I scale in this. Still underneath the 20 MA. Okay. Getting choppy now. See on my pause. I'll let it play out. ELQ with the crazy
target filled.
Crazy comment. That is just wild. A pretty good trade, right? Super strong bear trend down. Second entry short off the 20 MA. Good looking signal bar as well. It did show signs of a little reversal, but it ends up working out for us. Crazy comment by ELQ. I don't know where that came from, but crazy comment. I don't know. That's wild. What? I don't know where that came from. Like, it just came out of nowhere. Pandas! Oh, pandas. Let's do it. Easy peasy. Out of pocket comment. Really crazy. Another second entry short? Dare I try? On a strong downtrend day today? Goodness gracious. Dare I? Just dare I try? It doesn't even get there. Dare I try? Shall we? Comes up break even right here. Alright. Alright. So another second entry short. Coming for trend line and 20 EMA. I was thinking maybe just downtrend day today, but starting to pop up a little bit here. Starting to pop up a lot a bit here. Second entry short. Jeez Louise. Terrible signal bar. 20 EMA starting to curl upwards. Bye-bye. Alright, fair enough. Okay. What a move up. Meteoric move. 50 bajillion bull bars in a row here. Don't mess with this, for sure. The 15-minute candle is getting reversed, essentially. We'll see, though. Every 3 bars on the 5-minute is a 15-minute bar. Do I want to catch this momentum going upwards? Tough to say. Do I want to catch it? I don't know. Huh? Price action started to turn trading rangey, right? You got this big bear bar, big bull bar. When you get reversals like that, that just means the market is preparing itself for chop, in my opinion. Big down, big up. How y'all doing today? Hey, Pans, it's good to be back. I don't know if you realized, but last week I have been, last couple weeks, my setup has been a little different, but now we're back. And I love it. I love it. I want to take a look at NVIDIA. Maybe. I have a bunch of gold. I'm not in these other like super rockety stocks. NVIDIA obviously is like it's just the beginning. It feels like it's just the beginning. Isn't that crazy? They have a 10-to-1 split as well. Oh my goodness. They actually had a 10-to-1 split. So sick. Bunch of gold. That's gonna be my protection against this super hyperinflation the U.S. is going through. Big down, big up, big down. Sick. No follow through on this bull bar, but we've had follow through on our bear bars. So there could be sellers beneath here. There could be sellers beneath, but also big down, big up, big down. So probability is a little less. Second entry short, 500 tick chart. Do I like it? Oof. Outside bar reversal on the 500 tick. It's second entry short. Outside bar reversal. We're just in a strong downtrend day today. Is the question. It's too hard to tell this early on. But we could do something like this where consolidate for a little bit, really just always in long basically. Always in short day, who knows? Could be sellers beneath. Second leg down. Big down, big up, big down, confusion. Possible trading range here. It's tough to say. Would I be a fool not to try to go short here? Would I be an absolute fool not going short here? Would I be an absolute fool? Probably. I'm a fool either way, I feel like, in this situation. We just got three complete overlapping bars in a row. That's the issue here. That is the main issue here. I think I need some like soundproofing like pads in this room. It's too echoey. Lower high. 2 legs down. I think a bear bar here would make me want to go short. Just a strong bear bar here would make me want to go short. It's just really hard to tell for me.
2,500 tick trap.
Okay. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Like I said, big down, big up, big down, big up confusion. Even more reason to think we're going to be trading range today. Let me show you guys something. For instance, a day like this, where you have so many overlapping bars, it's just gonna be a trading range. After like the first 3 bars, you're like, all right, most likely trading range day. Ends up becoming a trading range day, and what you end up doing is you buy this pivot low, you make money. You sell this pivot high. Guess what happens? It breaks out. You're like, oh shoot. You hold, you sell here at the first bear bar, basically near this pivot high, and at the end, even if you don't do that, guess what? You get 2 chances to come up break even. Come up break even here, come up break even here. And so what ends up happening, this move that pushes us up is actually those who went short here at this pivot high covering, right, closing their positions, right? They're buying to cover. So that's what's causing these 2 bounces up. And at the end of the day, you could have came out break even anyways, right? Like even if you went short here, if you just held at the end of the day, if a big enough stop loss, you come out break even. That's the type of like how strong trading range days can be. You can pretty much buy and sell anywhere and make money, or come out break even. But there's a trap that sets up here. I'm pretty sure today's not the day for me. The price action during the first 30 minutes. That's what Albrook says. Albrook says the first 5 candles will tell you the market cycle of the day. So you're not wrong there. You're not wrong. If you see in the first 5 candles, like, I don't like what I'm seeing, get out. First 30 minutes, first 5 candles, 25 to 30 minutes. At this point, I'm trading micros today because of how absolutely disgusting this price action is. I'm trading micros. I'm gonna trade trading range day, like price action. Hard time to break above the 20 EMA here. Could still have some reason to think we're gonna be a bear trend today. Could be. I'm pretty certain today's gonna be a trading range day, but only because of this cluster of candles that are just disgusting. When you have like strong bull bars, no follow through, strong bear bars, no follow through, right? Strong bull bar, no follow through, strong bear bar, no follow through. It's just very clear signs what's gonna happen today. I could try this. It's such a weird trade. I could try. It's such a small risk. It's the main reason why I could try here. Such small risk. Golly. Trap fails. So sick. Fails, goes back down. Trading range day. If anything, I wait for the fail second entry long on the 5-minute chart. But at that point, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minimum overlapping bars in a row, I think. Just getting nasty. The reason I'm not buying down here is because we didn't quite reach the top of this trading range. So that means there's more bearish pressure here. And hard time closing above the 20 EMA, as you can see. AKA This price action is disgusting. Yes, it's disgusting. Yeah. So gross. Wow. Yeah, you stay away from this. Pandas, I'm telling you, just stay away from this. This is disgusting right here. Buyers beneath here. And they got a nice little pretty 30, 40 point scalp out of buying at the low of this candle. They just bought it. Can we get a nice disgusting scalp buy near the high here? Is it possible? Or we're gonna break out and have a strong bull trend day today. I mean, could happen. I think if it's even a strong bull trend today, what's the worst that can happen, right? We lose a couple $100. It's the worst that can happen. The chances are so high you come out break even. Doesn't even matter. Look at this. Doji bar. OI pattern here. Disgusting. Continuing the disgusting price action. Of course. Of course. Of course. Wow, 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 wow. Uh-huh. Kringle. Kringle. What's up, my Kringle? What's up, my guy? What's up, my panda? I mean, like I said, if I get the fail second entry long here, I'll go short. I'll try. I shall try. Oh, I pattern, right? But you're beneath the 20 May. And you're completely sideways. And it cannot trigger the second entry long to create the fail second entry long. Whew, it's going to be very hard to time this, but let's try anyways. Let's try to time this breakout here. I got broads in Atlanta. Just the bleed in the vent. Got the cars and the scammers. The most nonsense song ever, but the beginning is cool, right? Because he just starts saying panda. Panda. It's like meant to be my anthem. Sorry if I sing it too much. Just can't help it. All right, OI pattern breaks to the upside. Now, what do we do? What do we do right now? I mean, if you do it, I will go short here. I absolutely will go short here. I think Outbooks will probably wait for 2 bear bars in a row. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. I wouldn't think there'd be sellers right above here. I think they would at least try to get up here, but looks like it's struggling to get up there. I will be going short here if this fails like entry long does trigger. We got 2 more minutes for this candle to finish. I hope it doesn't create an outside bar. I hate those. Uh-oh. I think bulls are in trouble. Those women long here, they are in big trouble. That's not good for bulls. You get a bear bar here, that is not good for bulls. Mm-hmm. Whoa, 15 seconds. What in the world's going on?
2,500 tick trap.
Whoa. Time is way off. Ooh, so many, like... Ooh, I feel like the trade range is going to continue here. Mm-hmm. 20-some point candle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars in a row. You gotta be a madman to go short here, but that's what I'm doing. All these wicks down here as well. Fails to reach the top of the trading range. Doom, 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 doom. I think I gotta trade a micro here though. I should be trading micros right now. Truly. Terrible day. Trade. I should be trading micros, but here I am. Trading a mini. Mm-hmm. Isaiah says, "This is a great spot to buy." Why you gotta say that? Isaiah, why you gotta say that?
$2,500 tick trap. .
This is wild and crazy. What can I say, Pandas? Wild and crazy kids. It's gonna be trading range day, isn't it? I'm an absolute fool. Fair enough. Fair enough. Really tight stop right there. Alright, Pandas. Really tight stop there. Another OI pattern. OI pattern here. Breaks the upside, fails. OI pattern here. Hopefully breaks to the downside. Gives us some good bamboo. We shall see though. Risk. Very small here. Thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers. Clear it underneath the 20 MA.
2500 tick trap.
I think we'll find out very quickly if this works or not. Yeah. We'll find out very quickly if this works out or not. Not looking so hot. Not looking so hot here. Creating an outside bar reversal, perhaps. Whew. Unfortunately. Create that OI pattern here. I could take like the big risk here, but why? What's the point? I think I like this trade a lot. It's a failsafe entry long. Simple as that on the 5 minute. Cleared underneath the 20 MA. Clearly trading range day. So me trying to trade this breakout, a bit silly. But we're gonna try it anyways here. 2 bear bars in a row, but all within the range. Could be a nice push down here. Let's see if we can get it. Really hoping we get it here. Most likely gotta let this candle finish if we want to capture the move. Most likely need the candle to finish if we actually want to capture this move here. It's 2 minutes of 3 minutes of 3 more minutes of torture right now. Just back and forth, back and forth. About to get shooken out.
2500 tick trap.
Hopefully we don't get shooken out here. Another bear bar. Gonna get reversed here. Unfortunately, maybe. I like to break this low before I move my stop loss. I like to break this low before I move my stop loss. This is not looking pretty. I'll tell you what, this is not looking pretty at all. Got 2 more minutes. Can we handle the wiggles here? Can we handle the wiggles? Can we handle the wiggles here? I don't know. Looks terrible. 1 more minute of pain. Got to endure it. Hey, we get a red day today. Absolutely filthy price action. I mean, I'll hold it, but filthy, 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 filthy. People are just buying here, of course. I mean, the price action looks like they're all going to buy it. I just took the failsafe entry long. That was the main setup I was looking for. With the OI pattern, combined with it beneath the 20 MA. I thought we had maybe some percentage to really break down here. But it looks like we got caught with our pants down here. We're going to let the candle finish, though. We'll let the 1 minute candle finish. Whatever. If it doesn't do it, doesn't do it. But this is appropriate risk, right? It's the OI pattern. You got to get the 1-to-1, the OI pattern. Perhaps this push down is what we're looking for. Maybe. Maybe not. Yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Let the candle finish.
$2,500 tick trap.
Lean into your mistakes here. Let's see if we get a nice push down. Lean into your mistakes here. This is an ugly day. I don't know what I'm even trying to do.
Target filled.
First target hit. We might be in a position where we never come back and see this price. That'd be great. Come on, break even. Unfortunate. Up 720. Up 720. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I mean, this has more room to go down. Surely does. But to me, it's just too uncertain. Like, this price action is pretty horrid. We made the 1-to-1 on this guy. Right? We made the 1-to-1 on this guy. So I'm happy with that. Make a little more than 1-to-1. And then we see it bounce off after it makes a 1-to-1. On a choppy day like today, look at the 500 tick chart. It's just, it's terrible. It's like, it's horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. I mean, this has a lot more room to go down. I mean, this could be on a strong downtrend day today now. Who knows? Nobody knows. Who knows? Second just short here. Could be worth trying. Fail second entry short. Crazy price action right there. It does trigger the second entry short with a nice looking signal bar as well. Small risk, but it just wham! Breaks your neck. Look at this price action. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 overlapping bars in a row, but in the downward motion. We're up 720. Not too shabby. Look. It is overlapping bars, but it's also, you gotta recognize it's actually in a channel right now. Big old channel right now.
2500
It's a broad
tick trap.
channel, actually. I would say this channel is pretty accurate for what we're seeing. Or, simple as just, I could just keep selling off the 20 MA until it stops working. How about that? How about them apples? Big old push down. After a pretty strong retracement up. Difficult to say what's going to happen here. Or is it? Am I thinking too much? I just keep selling off the 20 MA until it no longer works. It's a broad channel, so you can actually buy at the previous pivot low, and that also is nice. I could try that. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? I lose a couple bucks, a couple hundo. We've seen the price action do this for a while now. Only way this gets me if it breaks out right here, right now. I see gold. Ooh, gold is plummeting. Gold is plummeting. Oil. Oil's kind of wacky. I don't know. I don't really like this. This looks really wacky to me. Oil. I don't know if oil is something I could really trade. This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin also plummeting. I bet you didn't know you could trade Bitcoin on Apex. Well, here it is. Here's Bitcoin. All right. I mean, sure. Why not? Okay, strong bear bar in years low. Probably getting a new low now. I could try. I could try to be a little silly here. Should we try to be a little silly here? Should we just try to be a little bit silly here? Oh.
Target filled.
I thought I was on the micros. I'm on the trade in the micros as well. That was crazy, pandas. I am out of it. I thought I was in the micros. Every new low being created. Kind of getting a deep pullback every single time. 2 bear bars in a row could mean strong breakdown now. I might have caught the breakdown here. So choppy all day. One micro. How wide of a stop do I really want here? Probably not too wide. This could really push down. You need 2 strong bear bars in a row. That's when it really, really starts to hurt. Think about 5-minute candles. They could be like, it could really be infinite of how. There's no limit to how big a 5-minute candle can be. Because let's just say like the nuclear bomb drops somewhere, like the 5-minute candle could be like 1,000 points, maybe 2,000 points. Seriously. We sort of broke the pattern, right? Every time we made a new low, we kind of have a deep retracement. We broke this low and we don't have a deep retracement. Instead, we have a breakdown. So the pattern's changing here. It's something to take note of. To me, this is enough reason just to get out, break even if I can, because
Target
it
filled.
moved a lot further than I wanted to be honest. It moved a lot further than I wanted to. Yeah, I don't think I'm trading oil. This is not a real thing. Micro Bitcoin. It is plummeting. Interesting. Curious to see what happens. Are we gonna follow through here after this bar? Some people might think always a short now. I'm looking at the past price action, thinking that this is. I guess this was a breakout pattern and we broke down, so maybe it's a strong downtrend here. I'm seeing. I wonder if it's always a short here or not. It looks like always in short currently. See how much further it goes down. It was always in short here. That was the cue for bears to jump in. This bear bar. I think near its low, near the bottom of the trading range. It was a cue to say we're gonna break down now. Could I have told you that was gonna happen? With hindsight bias, I can see it. Without hindsight bias, it's hard to tell. It's an OI pattern as well. Gold is plummeting. It's starting to drop. Maybe filling the gap here. Gold is interesting. Like, I would only really trade time charts on gold. Or should I? Maybe I can change it to tick. I don't know. I don't just know what tick to use. I guess I can just use the same method I always use, which is whatever makes my candles big enough for the profit I like. Second edge is short here forming. It's a broad channel. Means both bulls and bears can make money here. It's a small risk. I'm gonna try here.
$2,500 tick trap.
It's a small risk. I'll take the hit if I lose this trade or whatever. Coming for trend line in 20 May. It's a good setup. Second entry short, but obviously, I don't know. We're kind of in a choppy price action here. I made the 1-to-1. Alright, you want at least a new low or 10 points. Decent push down here. Strong bear bar ending nearest low. Do we get follow through on this? We shall see. Looks like no follow through, fortunately.
2,500 tick trap.
Yeah, I'm out on the first reversal. Almost $1,000 day. I'm out on the first reversal because it's just so choppy. So many overlapping bars, pandas. Like, even if I have like a big push down, it's happening in a way it's so choppy. It's just difficult for me to just really think we're gonna push down without deep pullbacks. 3 strong bear bars in a row here. Very nice. We're essentially retracing the move from yesterday. We have a big trading range today. Looks something like this. And when you trade in range, usually you trade in range. You know, if it spikes in channel, usually it starts at range at the bottom of the channel. So here's the bottom of the channel. Right when the channel starts on the spiking channel.
$2,500 tick trap.
That's somewhat telling. That's somewhat telling here. The fact we couldn't break this high. That means a lot of bears are waiting here to go short in limit orders. Are a lot of bulls waiting here for a lot of limit orders. I'm curious to see.
$2,500 tick trap.
Stronger than you think? That first reversal, that's why I took it out, because I felt the pullback would be deep, and it was. Golly. Maybe I'll go short here. If this is a strong bear bar, I might consider going short here. Thinking always is short, and they're waiting for this to more confirmation of it continue to go short. John Q, hi mom. Kringle says, have a good one, Panda. Trade safe. Bye. I'm gonna go short here. Let's see what happens. It seems like one of those days you just keep going short, you make money. If you go short anywhere today, you would have made money so far. After 1, 2, 3, 4 bear bars in a row, you're kind of wondering, like, do I have any fear of going short? I don't know.
$2,500 tick trap.
Any fear of going short here? Oof. You're so fast. Timing is off on my computer or something. Because technically this candle's not done yet. We still got 5 seconds left on this candle, but the candle's finished on my chart. Something is wrong with my time.
2,500 tick
That's
trap.
so weird. Something's wrong with my time. Let's go short, 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 short. We are approaching potentially the bottom of the channel here. Potentially here. I'm up 1,000. I think I can call it a day today. I think I really like... Yeah. I'm happy with my gains. Up a K. I'll take it. I'll take it. And that's with like commissions, right? That's including commissions, isn't it? Oh, it's not. Darn. It is not including commissions. I think for me, I'm more focused on protecting profits, and now for me, a little bit confusing here. Yeah, I'm happy with my gains today. I could make more, probably. I'll say this. Even though the price action, like, even though we made some money today, I feel like the price action is still a little bit iffy. Bouncing out the previous week's high. That's what this dotted line is. I'm just looking for a short trade somewhere is the question. Okay. Like $1,000 profit
tick
is
trap.
like $20,000. It's $20,000 profits when it comes to 20 accounts. So I mean, $20,000 one day, not too shabby if you ask me. What the? Eh. I just don't like it when something bounces off. It's such a clear area. I just don't like it when it bounces off such a clear area. I don't want to trade short into this area, even though we're in a strong downtrend. Something wacky like this can happen. Shoo! I mean, I could try here, but I could try. Not gonna be pretty, but I can try. Touching the 20 EMA just so ever so perfectly here. Like I said, bouncing off a clear area like this is hard to trade counter to this because if it's gonna bounce somewhere, it might bounce off these clear areas and create huge. You know what? Forget it. Forget it. We are trading the micros. Why not just give it a shot? We're absolutely trading micros right now. What's the worst that can happen? Lose a couple $100. Or get a quick scalp, right? That's the idea. That is the idea. If we get a strong bull bar here, I might just abandon this idea. If this is a strong bull bar, I'm out. I concede. I want to take charge. This looks silly. Look at this. Look how disgustingly choppy that is. But it's going up. It's a small pullback bull trend, so it is what it is. I think the idea for me, trading moving forward, is assume trading range day or choppy day until proven otherwise, and basically start every day with micros. Just start it until it's like I realize like, oh, this is a strong trending day, and then I'll jump on the minis. But other than that, like I feel like there's no reason to trade minis. Like it's safer to trade micros, and you can trade it properly. You can trade small enough where you can scale in, and on trading range days, that's what you do. You need to learn how to scale in and use wide stops, recognize trading ranges very quickly here. I thought we're going to turn trading range here, but we're not. Right, these three are open bars. Strong bull bar. I didn't think I would follow through because we never had follow through before this. No bull bar so far today has any follow through. If this bull bar has follow through, it'll be the first of today. Okay, strong bull bar, no follow through. Strong bull bar. A little bit of follow through, but it doesn't break the high. Strong bull bar, no follow through. which is why I'm trying to go against. I'm not trying to go against, but I'm trying to continue this pattern here. We'll come out break even. We got 2 bull bars in a row. If we come out break even, great. If not, then I'll come out at the top of this. I don't want it to turn always and long against me, and I just take brutal damage for no reason today. You got 2 strong bull bars now. This is the first time we've seen it. Coming off a decent area down here. So it is what it is. I don't know. I mean, it could reverse here, but I'm just not gonna stick around to find out. I don't want to go against 2 bull bars like that. So it is what it is. All right, Pants. I think that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's good to be back. Thanks for joining, everyone. And I think everyone is gonna enjoy the streams a lot more. We made our bamboo today. We got our memes back. We got our stream deck back. We are back on our full powered desktop here, and so hopefully the stream experience will be much better. Thanks for joining, everyone, and I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. We're gonna be back on our regular schedule, so I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you use code BBM for Apex for the lowest possible promo, and also for TPT. If you're deciding on which prop firm to use, I would highly recommend to use TPT to start off with. They have way better rules, and the eval is more difficult to pass, but I think it's worth it, right, for you to practice if you're trying to decide. But if you have a lot of experience with prop firms, jump on Apex, get those 20 accounts, and make life-changing money. Seriously, life-changing money. We made over $200,000 already this year with Apex, and that's the power of 20 accounts. So, Pandas, with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, happy trading with us. Bye.